we are going to identify bullish fake outs, like scenarios whereby we thought we've already you've been hearing me saying overbought and oversold territories, right? So let's deal with scenarios whereby momentum gained. I hate using the word momentum again. Momentum more or less like gained, more or less like a momentum to move up, but due to some very reasons it couldn't, because money flow wasn't in support. When I say in support, money is more or less like a liquid. So momentum has more or less like gained. The momentum has already exhausted everything that shows that there's going to be an uptrend. So why is it like the uptrend couldn't happen? You understand? So let's go back to what I've been doing and have been telling you guys about momentum. Well, if you're new to this channel, this is Market Cipher Script. I'm Sel Nupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for the best trading scripts in the world, Market Cipher. And if you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And today's video, we are just dealing with scenarios whereby we thought momentum was going up, but it couldn't go up, back again came down. So let's go back to this 60 line that we used to talk about. This is the 60 line. Anytime momentum crosses the 60 line, we already know for sure that there's a downtrend coming. Right, this is the overbought territory line. Overbought territory line. So the same goes with the oversold. All right, so let's come down here and let's deal with the oversold. Come down here and let's deal with the oversold. So it means when when momentum crossed the the negative 60 line, this is a positive 60. Remember, it's an inverse relationship, so this is a negative 60 line, crosses this negative 60 line, then we might assume once you register a bullish sign, which is a green dot, we are going upwards, right? But here lies the case, we couldn't. We tried going, then came down here. Again, we registered another bullish sign, tried going, then came down here. Registered another bullish sign, tried going, then again we came down here. Registered another bullish sign, tried going up, came down a little bit, went up here, then came down. Then tried again another bullish sign until we were able to move up. The question is why is it so? Why could we not go in the first time? Why couldn't we go up in the second time? Why couldn't we go up in the third time? This time we tried how many times? Like 4 times before we were able to go into the positive territories. That's a normal question that you ask yourself. You understand? So it's because, for me, I normally see money flow as another determinant for momentum uptrend, right? Even though momentum goes up and down and down and down, up and down, and sometimes if money is as a thing, look at this scenario, money has been leaving the assets quite a time. See the downtrend here with money. So it means momentum tries its very best to go up, then comes down. See the very downtrend of money. Liquidity is leaving the assets. So momentum tries its very best, but still can't goes up. Then comes down again, tries again, comes down till it breaks up. What I would say is I saw an uptrend here with money. You can see the uptrend here with money, and that is my reason, because this is a typical bearish scenarios whereby momentum wouldn't even dare coming into the positive territory because it's struggling. There's a struggle with momentum. Money is leaving the assets, manipulation is happening, yada yada yada. So it's like no matter what momentum does, it still gets rejected. There's nothing wrong with that. It gets rejected, but it still tries hard. So what are the typical scenarios? You could see momentum was gaining steam here. It was surging up here. And you could see momentum couldn't go up here because money was also coming down here. It's always a struggle. It's always a struggle. Try and find the direction in terms of money flow direction and of course momentum direction. So here we registered another bullish sign and we broke out. again. But you could see we couldn't even wait, we couldn't sustain a longer time on the in the positive territories. Then we came down again because money is still in the bearish side. We tried going up, then we came down hugely again before we gained another bullish sign. Then we went up. You will see money was also traveling up here. Money was traveling up here. Anytime money shows positive signs or positive uptrend, momentum also gets that I think that strength to push up. So you can realize that when money went up a little bit, momentum sustained in the positive for a while before it came down. You understand? Then we came down here again. Then you realize that momentum is not struggling to go up again. Went up again, boom. These are scenarios whereby you can realize that momentum is now spending a lot of time in the positive territories, whereas we're spending little time in the positive territories here. Momentum was in the positive territories here for a longer time because liquid is in the positive. So this is a bullish scenario, and you could long in from this side. Hold on to your longs, 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 because money is in the positive as well to support you. So this is a typical market cipher for you. It gives you real time data, like pertaining to an asset. You get to see almost what's happening behind the scenes so that you don't guess. And momentum is, again, there are so many ways of discovering how momentum works in scenarios like this. A typical bearish markets. What would you do if you're new to trading? So yeah, of course, if you're new to trading, I would recommend Market Cipher scripts for you. It's in the description down below, and it's one of the best trading scripts. They do have an academy, a Discord team, where they can help you guys build your trading skills all over around the world. And of course, so these are a series of videos that I have in the pipeline explain it in moments like this, bearish markets like this. What will you do? So until then, people, have a very nice time. Happy Monday.